MLB prop picks for Wednesday, May 8th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. First things first, let's do yesterday's recap. Cash, pretty easy. Peyton Pritchard goes off for 16 points. Josh Green had at least 1-3 pretty much as soon as he got into the game, had 2 by halftime. We cash this ticket. If you want to join DFS Army, easier than ever. There's nothing else you have to do. It's a free week. Go to the links below. Sign up using the code FREEPROPS. You get access to the tools that have odds and projections, more picks and plays in the Discord. Go and check that out. Or if you want 2 free months instead, go deposit on Prizepicks, Underdog, or Sleeper. Using my code SNIPER, you get 100% deposit match and up to $100 and 2 free months of the DFS Army Props subscription. Make sure you take advantage of one of those. We are going to go MLB today. NBA just one game, Indiana and New York, game 2 of that series. So wasn't a ton on the board as it populates more plays posted in Discord for our members, but the MLB board was a little bit more full. We got to slowly make that transition into baseball season anyway. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because these videos will be out every day with some rare exceptions here or there as things come up. But for the most part, every day we'll be right here dropping prize picks and prop plays. Let's go ahead and let's go to the Proptimizer. All right, guys, here it is right here, the DFS Army Proptimizer, comparing prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number 1, don't have to go very far. We're going to talk Reese Olson. We're going to go less than 5 strikeouts. Projection model instantly likes it, is at 4.17. So that's always solid when our projection goes under. Then over on the left, you can see all the sportsbook odds. It's bumped because BetMGM's like minus 145, DraftKings is minus 140, but these aren't huge numbers. And FanDuel still has it as a pick'em for 4.5. So I get a pick'em at 4.5. Caesars got a little bit of juice, regardless. And then this is the start of the season for Reese Olson. I believe he has 6 starts this season. He's been under 3 times, over twice, and he's got a push last time out against the Yankees. Taking on Cleveland today. Last thing I have pulled up today is team strikeouts so far on the season. I already have it sorted. It's by teams, by hitting, sorted by strikeouts. And you can see so far this season, Cleveland has the 6th fewest strikeouts. So he's also taking on a team that does not strike out a lot. So Reese Olson's got a tough matchup to get strikeouts in, a low projection, decent form, good odds, checks the boxes I talk about every day on this channel and use it to make some money in the long term. Head on over to Prize Picks. As you see, we got it pulled up. Reese Olson, less than 5 strikeouts. 1:10 start time. Wednesday is one of the days we got plenty of day games to attack. So make sure you check in these videos early or in the Discord where you get the pings. That is going to be play number 1. So let's head on over and let's find play number 2. To scroll down just a little bit. We're going to go Martin Perez, more than 4 strikeouts. So I got a 1 less than play and 1 more play today. Not going to go double unders, which is, I get, scary, not super fun, but here we are. Not the case today. 4.25 on the projection, so projecting him under. Over 3.5 is minus 172. So FanDuel really likes us to get at least a push. The under 4.5 is lined up between minus 145 and minus 148. What's good about this tool is it puts all these differing odds together and gives us a composite of over 4.5 being plus 112. I get that's a plus number, but because you get the push on 4, people tend to stay away from the push props. All the math has been worked out. We're going to go ahead and roll with it. By the way, going back to the start time I talked about earlier, this game starts at 12:35 Eastern. So if you're on the West Coast, I know it's a little bit early. Hopefully you're checking everything. And use the free props and get more plays throughout the day anyway. So we've got odds. We covered the projection. Let's talk about the form here. This is the start of the year. Twice he's been under. 3 times he's been over. And we got 2 pushes in back-to-back games. So 3 wins, 2 losses, 2 pushes so far this year for Perez. Let's go check. He's taking on the Angels. Let's head on back to that strikeout chart here. Let's reverse it. This is we're rooting for strikeouts now. And the Angels 12th in the league, so top half of the league in terms of strikeouts. And I can make the case they're going to be higher because they have 36 games played. They're going to pass the Cubs and the Phillies next time they will probably today. We're looking for at least 4 strikeouts. So they're going to be right around this top 10 in the league in terms of most strikeouts. So in this case, let's head on back to the Proptimizer, wrap it up. Perez has got a good matchup for strikeouts, good odds that have been worked out, decent form. He hasn't chalked at any of the last 3 games. Hopefully he goes over today. Go back on over to Prize Picks. Spilled my water all over my desk. Actually, it was empty. Thank God. That would have been bad. Let's try and get Perez. More than 4 strikeouts, double even number props today. So the potential to even push if we go 5 and 4 on the nose. Hopefully, though, we get a winner today. We can go back-to-back winners. If you did not already, do me that favor, hit the like button, and let's do our recap. Reese Olson, less than 5 strikeouts, and Martin Perez, more than 4 strikeouts. Lock that in. That is our play for today, looking for back-to-back W's. Use all the promo codes. You got free money all over the place in deposit matches, free week memberships, 2 free month possibilities. Again, check all those out. And here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.